In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Roblox-vng version, even if it's not available in your country. Let's begin. First, open the Chrome browser and paste the link mentioned in the description. Then tap on Download and wait for it to finish. After that, download Z-Archiver from the Play Store. After installing Z-Archiver, go to the Download section. Then install the Roblox-vng version. And done. Let's play the Vietnamese version of Roblox. Voila! It works perfectly. That's it for this video. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.